How to install mods for Oxygen not included on Steam. Hi guys, my name is Luma. First, you go to your game. Then you go to the workshop. You pick whatever mod you want to install. This time, let's go with the decor pack. After that, you press the subscribe button or whatever it is in your language. It is also always a good idea to check from when the mod is, so you can see if it might still work. You can also scroll all the way down and check the comments if they point toward the mod not working anymore. And it is a very good idea to actually do read the description. After that, you can go back to your Steam library, then start the game. When you finally arrive in the menu, the game will tell you that you have installed a new mod. Depending on the mod, it will tell you several times. After that, go to the mod menu and activate the newly installed mod, which in our case is the decor pack that we just subscribed to. In most cases, after enabling a mod, you need to restart the game, as you will see by the game obviously telling you. After a little bit of waiting, we can go to a colony and test the mod. I normally would suggest doing that in a new colony first. Arriving at the colony, the game will probably tell you that your last save file differs from the current one. And now you can finally check if your mod is there and works properly. If it does and you like it, make sure to go back and leave a like for the mod. You can also check out the author for more of their mods or to thank them for their amazing mod or artwork. So thank you a lot Aki and keep up the good work. And now you can go and check out the Minimod playlist that is on the screen right now.